Now, question number 7. 7A. सब लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 7A देखें। इस थ्योरम पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं। Now here it is given A, B, C, and here it is P, Q, R, S. ऐसे में वैल्यू लिख लो, ये कितना है 6 है, ये 5 है, then this is 3, this is 4, and this. Now in this question you have to determine the perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD. Perimeter मतलब perimeter means AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So देख लो, ये AP कितना है 6 है, तो AS भी कितना हो जाएगा 6, because AP and AS are tangents drawn from external point on the same circle. So AS equals to AP equals to 6 centimeter. It's clear. Similarly, DS will be equal to what? DR. Tangent drawn from external point on the same circle. DS equals to DR equals to 4 centimeter. It's clear. Then CQ and CR will also be equal. CQ equals to CR equals to 3 centimeter, and BQ equals to BP. BQ equals to BP equals to 5 centimeter. What is the region for all these? Tangent drawn from external point on same circle are equal. Now you can see here, this is 3, therefore this is also 3. This is 5, so this is 5. This is 6, 4, this is 4. Now you determine all the sides. So AB will be equal to what? AP plus BP. कितना हो जाएगा? 6 plus 5, 11 centimeter. Then BC, BQ plus CQ. That is equals to 5 plus 3, 8 centimeter. CD, CR plus DR. That is 3 plus 4, 7 centimeter. And AD, it is AS plus DS equals to 6 plus 4, 10 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter AB plus BC plus CD plus AD equals to 11 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10. So ये कितना आ गया? 19, 19, 10, 29, 29 and 7, 36 centimeter. This will be the perimeter. ये perimeter हो जाएगा. आया समझ में?
Yes,
इसी
sir.
तरीके से हैं? Now see the next question, 7th B. Now this is B. A, B, C, D. And this point is P. This is Q. Now, this distance is given 27 centimeter. This hole is given 38. And this radius of this is given 10. Now all of you see here in the figures can be given below, quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribing. Quadrilateral क्या है, इस सर्किल को circumscribe कर रहा है. AD is perpendicular to DC. AD is perpendicular to DC means this angle is given 90 degree. X is the radius of the, find X if radius of encircle is 10. हमको X find out करना है अगर radius of encircle is 10. It's clear. So all of you see here, you join CR. This point is OR. Join OR. OR. Now you can see here, this angle will be equal to 90. Why? Angle between tangent and radius at the point of contact. Angle ORD equals to 90 degree. Angle between tangent and radius at point of contact is 90 degree. Now you can see this angle will also be equal to 90 degrees. So that also you can write angle OST equals to angle ORD equals to 90 degree because of this region. Now in quadrilateral DROS, in quadrilateral DROS, तीन एंगल क्या है 90 है. एंगल OSD equals to angle D equals to angle ORD equals to 90 degree. Therefore fourth भी 90 हो जाएगा. क्यों? Sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is 4 into 90, 360 degree. Therefore angle SOR equals to 90 degree. क्यों? Sum of all angles of quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. Now see here, since all the angles are 90 degree, therefore opposite sides will be equal. मतलब DR क्या हो जाएगा OS के बराबर. Therefore DR will be equal to OS equals to 10 centimeter. It's clear? हमको ये पूरा फाइंड आउट करना, अगर CR पता हो जाए then we can find DC. So see here, BP is 27, therefore what will be BQ? 27. BQ equals to BP equals to 27 centimeter. Tangent
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
is clear. So what will be CD will be equal to how much? It will be equal to CR plus dr. PR is 11 and dr is how much? 10. That is 21 centimeter. So therefore x equals to 21 centimeter. Now this question is important. Now see the next question. Now next question, it is based on the card property, so that we can leave, क्योंकि वो अब तुम्हारे कोर्स में नहीं रह गया. 8A, 8th question, A part. It's clear. It is based on the card property. But 8B you can see that I will explain only. Now here it is A. In the figure second given below, from an external point P, tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle. C is tangent to the circle at the point D. If AP equals to 15, this thing is given 15. Find the perimeter of triangle PEC. हमको triangle का PEC का perimeter find out करना. Now you can see here perimeter of triangle PEC. You can see here it will be PE plus EC plus PC. PE plus EC plus PC. It's clear. Now EC you can write DE, ED and CD. ED plus CD. So PE, in place of EC we can write ED plus CD plus PC. It's clear. Now ED will be equal to EA. ED will be equal to EA. Why? Because tangent drawn from external point E on the same circle. Similarly, CD will be equal to CB. Tangent drawn from external point on the same circle. CB. Tangent drawn from external point on same circle. Therefore, perimeter will be equal to what? PE. In place of ED, you can write EA. In place of CD, you can write CB plus PC. Now, what is PE plus EA? PE plus EA equals to PA. PA. What is CB plus PC? CB plus PC. You see in the diagram, CB plus PC, it is equal to PP. But PA and PB are also equal. Tangent drawn from external point P on the same circle. PA equals to PB equals to 15 centimeter. Tangent from external point. It's clear. So what will be perimeter? 15 plus 15, 30 centimeter. 15 plus 15, it will be equal to 30 centimeter. It is clear. Now you can see the question number 11A. It's clear. 9, 10 you can cut, no need. Question number 11A. This is exercise 15.3. Now it is also on the same theorem. You can see here in the figure first given below, sides of the quadrilateral touch the circle. Prove that AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. This you have to prove. AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. Now you can take this point as P, Q, R, S. Now you can see here AP you can write equal to AS. Why AP and AS are equal? Because tangent drawn from external point on the same circle. Similarly, BP equals to BQ. Then you write down DR equals to DS. पहले हम DR लिखेंगे. ऐसे इस साइड और इस साइड के पार्ट्स हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिखेंगे. So DR equals to DS. Why DR equals to DS? Tangent drawn from external point on the same scale. And CR equals to CQ. Now region you write down tangent drawn from external point on same circle are equal in length. Now adding side by side. On adding side by side. So it will be AP plus BP plus DR plus CR. AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. Now you can see here AP plus BP is how much? AB. CR plus DR is how much? CD. So it will be AB plus CD equals to. Now DR, this DS and CQ you write together. Here it is written. DS and AS. DS and AS you write together. AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. So what is AS plus DS? It is AD. BQ plus CQ is BC. Hence proved. Now you can see here. Question number 12A. Question 11B also you can cut. No need. 11. Now question number 12A. This is P Q R and this is O. This is X. Now you can see here in the figure first given below, PQ equals to 24, QR equals to 7, angle PQR equals to 90. Find the radius of the inscribed circle. So this question is exactly like this one. एकदम इस तरीके से है. This same thing will apply here. So you can see here, let the radius of circle is X. Here radius of circle I have taken as X. You join this you can name M and this you can name as N. What will be angle OMQ? 90. Angle ONQ 90. Angle OMQ equals to angle ONQ equals to 90 degree. Angle between tangent and radius at point of contact. Angle between tangent and radius at the point of contact, that will be equal to 90 degree. Therefore, in quadrilateral this, therefore, in quadrilateral ONQM, three angles are 90. Angle OMQ equals to angle ONQ equals to angle MQN. MQN, this is 90 degree. Therefore, angle MON 90 and this is 90. Therefore, opposite sides will be equal. It's clear. So see here, what will be QM? QM equals to, you can see here, ON equals to X. It's clear. ON is X, therefore OM is also X. ON equals to X. OM will also equals to ON equals to X. Why? Radii. ये क्या है? Radii. It's clear. Now this is X, so what will be QN? QN equals to OM equals to X. अब सब लोग देख लें, ये लेंथ कितनी हो गई? X. ये लेंथ भी कितनी हो गई? X. So you find out Rn. What will be Rn here? Rn will be equal to how much? कौन बता सकता Rn कितना होगा? QR minus QN. QR minus QN. That is QR is 7 minus X. Then what will be PM? PQ minus QM. What is PQ? 24 minus. Now see here, this point you can name as S. So PS equals to PM. PS equals to PM. क्यों PS equals to PM होंगी? Tangent drawn from external point on the same circle. And PM is 24 minus X. Similarly, RS equals to Rn. Same region. RS will be equal to Rn. And Rn कितना लिखा? 7 minus X. Region is tangent drawn from external point on same circle. So what will be PR? PR will be equal to PS plus RS. PS हमने यहां से निकाल लिया, RS यहां से, PS plus RS. You put the value. PS is 24 minus, RS is 7 minus X. That is 31 minus 2X. It is clear. Now from Pythagoras theorem we can find PR. PR square equals to PQ square plus QR. PQ is 24 square plus 7 square. That is 576 plus 49. That is 625. So what will be PR? Square root of 625, that is 25. अब PR की वैल्यू तुमने ये निकाली, PR की वैल्यू यहां से कितनी निकाली? 31 minus 2x. So both will be equal. 31 minus 2x equals to, so 2x equals to 31 minus 25, that is equals to 6. So x equals to 3 centimeter. So you write down, therefore radius 3 centimeter. This will be radius. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see the question number 12B. This is A. This is B. In this figure second given below, two concentric circles with center O. These are the concentric circles, means having same center, but the radii are different. R of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. एक का radius 5 है and दूसरे का 3. From an external point P, tangents PA and PB are drawn on each circle. AP equals to 12. This is given 12. You have to find BP. So see here. Now AP and BP will not be equal because they are tangent from same point but not on the same circle. एक tangent bigger circle पर है, दूसरी tangent is smaller. So you join A and B with from the center. Join point A and B from center O. It's clear. So this angle OAP and OBP, it will be 90 degree. Angle OAP equals to angle OBP equals to 90 degree. Why? Angle between tangent and radius at point of contact. It's clear. You join OP. Join OP. Now all of you remember, you have to determine BP. So here OA equals to 5 centimeter. Why it will be 5 centimeter? Because this is the bigger radius, therefore it will be 5 centimeter. And OP is given how much? OB is given 3 centimeter. अब हम क्या करेंगे? By using triangle OAP, find out OP from Pythagoras theorem. जब OP आ जाएगा, then by using this triangle, this is also right angle triangle. one side, this you can determine from here. This is given, so you can get BP. So see here, in triangle OAP, so OP square that is equals to 25 plus 169. 13. OP equals to 30. So in triangle, this OBP, theorem, what will be BP square? It will be OP square minus OB square. That is 13 square minus 3 square. That is 169 minus 9. So 160. So BP equals to square root of 160. That is square root of 16 into 10. So 4 root 10 centimeter. It will be 4 root 10